Hello students, welcome to this video model. In this video model, we are going to discuss training methods from the behavioral perspective. So before we discussed cognitive perspective of training methods, maybe lecturing, demonstration, discussion, and computer-based the training. These are the four methods under cognitive model. And in this video model, we are going to discuss the training methods from the behavioral perspective. The learning objective for this video model is to learn behavioral dimension and behavioral aspects of the training program. So then if you just look at the behavioral methods, like the behavioral methods are more of giving the practical training to the trainees, and the various methods in this allows the trainee to behave in a real fashion. So these methods are best used for skill development. So the skill development happens through behavioral methods. So let us look at what are the behavioral methods here. Methods that comes under the behavioral methods are you can see that related to the games, and then role play, and in basket technology, and then preparing for the case studies. So you can see these are all various the behavioral related the training methods, and then we just look at these methods one after another, like games and then simulation methods. We just conduct the games among the participants. Here you will find the instructor is there, and then giving the complete the game rules, and then game the procedure, explaining how you're supposed to participate in the game. So the game is defined as a kind of spirited activity or exercise in which the trainee they compete with each other, and then according to the defined the set of rules. So simulation is a creating computer version of real life the games. It is about initiating or making the judgment or opinion how events might occur in a real situation. So these are the based on the set of rules, procedures, plans, relationships, and the principles derived from the research. So in business games, the trainees are given some information that describes a particular the situation, and then are then asked to make the decisions that will best suit in the favor of the company. So you can see the games and then simulations organized in the training program. So as one of the methods, and then bring the behavioral changes in the individuals. So role play is something like a simulation in which each participant is given to a role to play. Like information is given to the trainees related to description of the role concern, objective, responsibilities, and then emotions. So then a general description of the situation, and then the problem that each one of them the faces is given. Example, like a situation could be the strike in a factory, or managing the conflict between the two parties, or scheduling the vacation days, etc. So we just give the role play, like we ask the individual participants, you are now taking the role of manager to handle the strike. So how we are going to discuss and then resolve the problem with the trade union leaders. So this kind of situation we are giving and asking the participants to play the role. So this is the other method of training program. So then you can see that in basket technique, the third one is in this technique the trainees is given the same some information and about the role to be played, and such as descriptions, and then responsibilities, and then general the context about the role. And the training is given to a lot of the material that makes us to InBasket, and then asked to respond to the material within a particular the time period. So after all, these trainees they complete InBasket, the discussion with the trainers takes place. So we just give the topic, and then we share the material, and we give the complete kit InBasket, and then the trainee will just read and then learn and understand what is what, and then come and then sit with the trainer and discuss and debate, and then exchange the thoughts, and then learn out of this InBasket method. This is the another one. So then you can see that equipment simulations can be used to give the training to taxi drivers and telephone operators, maintenance workers, and then product development engineers, and then airlines, the pilots. So there are a number of like this, the categories of the employees. We can provide training programs for all of them in this directions. So then the case study is another the method. So where you will give a case and then ask the participants to read, understand, go through the case and find out the facts and analyze the facts of the case and then come out with their ideas. And they're supposed to make a presentation out of the ideas generated after reading and then identifying the facts of the case. So through case studies also the participants will learn the practical knowledge and it will develop a lot of the confidence and then the communication system for the employees. So with this, let me stop here. Looking forward to meet you in the next video 110. Thank you.